how can I use Helium 10 together with my PPC data to generate more sales? The way how you can use Helium 10 or any other software, that third-party software that might allow you to go and look up on whatever your competitors are bidding on or whatever your product is currently ranking for, but you are not advertising for. That would be the way how we would use internally Helium 10. So we want to see what is working already for our customers, for our competitors, and then we would see what is already working for our own product. And we could use that in our PPC campaigns. Now, also something else that is not necessarily PPC related, but it's going to help with conversion is you can also look up your competitors and look up their reviews, see which are the things that your product has an advantage over, right? So, for example, let's say that one of your competitors, they are generating a lot of traffic, but most people in the review section say that they don't like X about the product. Now, if your product is solving that X problem the customer from the competitor has, what you can say is just emphasize in your product images or even in your text, in your SEO part, the description part, and even title if it's relevant, how you're solving that problem. So these are the ways that you could use Helium 10 when it comes down to PPC data. There are certainly different ways and many other ways to use it. However, these would be our no-brainer go-to.